Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses, relays for fuel pump and fuel pump control module on GMC Sierra, guys. That generation from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. If you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So the fuel pump and the fuel pump control module, fuses and relays, let's explain where you can find them on that generation GMC Sierra here. Guys, you have many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it can save you quite a bit of money guys. Today we'll be working in easy to access fuse box. Most people know about this fuse box. We need to open the hood. Under the hood guys, I want to show you here on the driver's side, you see that's the brake fluid reservoir, next to it is the main engine fuse box. Open that cover and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, things may differ for different years. That's a 2018 model fuse box. They use the same fuse box from 2014 to 2017 and 2018 they switched a few things. So please make sure you watch until the end. First we will explain about 2018 model. The first fuse guys, okay, that you will need to check will be fuse number 18. We're talking about this 20 amp fuse, very important fuse. Then we need to locate fuse number 21. Okay, it's that fuse right here guys, fuse 21. After that, we need to locate fuse number 41. You may not have this one, depending guys on which option you have. But if you have it, it will be right here. Now, that's where things will differ, okay, for the different years as well. For 2018 model, we need to check relay 59, right here, very important relay. Then, we need to guys check relay 66. So 66, if you have it, it will be guys, okay, that relay right here. And you may have another one that you will need to check, and we're talking guys about relay 75. Now if you have 2014 through 2017 model, we will still need to check that fuse number 18, fuse 21, and you may have fuse 41 as well. But now the relays will be different guys, okay. We will need to check relay 60 now, it's known as relay 60, and the other one is known as relay 70. This is the one that you will need to check. So those are the main fuses and relays that you need to check for the fuel pump and fuel pump control module. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, Don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.